Yes, natural alternatives to Botox and other salon treatments do exist, and they are cheaper and safer too. This natural Botox treatment was designed by the famous Dr. Ozzy. This mask treats your skin and smooths wrinkles. Here are the three ingredients you need: a quarter cup of yogurt, 1/4 of a banana, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mash up your banana. Mix the mashed banana in with your yogurt and honey. Spread the combination over your face. Allow to sit for a quarter of an hour. Rinse the mask off your face with cold water. Gently pat dry and carry on with your usual skin routine. It's great for refreshing the skin and leaving you feel clean and smelling great. Instead of lip fillers, use cinnamon or peppermint oil. For naturally plump lips, pour a tiny amount of peppermint oil or cinnamon powder into a small bowl. Dip a water-dampened cotton swab into the powder and apply the peppermint oil or cinnamon-dipped cotton swab onto clean, smooth lips. This will cause a mild tingling sensation. Let this sit for a few minutes, then wipe off the remaining powder. Your lips will have plumped up slightly, with results lasting for at least a few hours. To make your skin wrinkles reduce, look less tired, more hydrated, softer, and tighter. This 3-day natural Botox treatment will work wonders. You will need these 3 ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and 5 tablespoons of carrot juice. Start by grabbing half a glass of water. Use it to dissolve your cornstarch thoroughly. Once dissolved, pour in some boiling water. 100 ml will do fine. Put the mixture on simmering, low heat. It should soon thicken. Allow to cool for a short while. Add your carrot juice and sour cream. Stir till well combined. Give your face a thorough clean. Exfoliate too for best results. Spread the finished mixture over your face. Leave to sit on your skin for up to half an hour. Rinse the Botox marks away with some warm water. Use a nourishing or moisturizing cream to finish off. Use this mixture for 3 consecutive days. Remnants of the mask can be kept in the fridge. Use sugar as microdermabrasion alternative. Microdermabrasion is a skin exfoliating treatment. Simply splash the face with warm water, then dip your damp fingers into a ball of sugar. Using these same fingertips, gently scrub the sugar in circular motions over your entire face, including your lips, for at least 1 minute. Add a few drops of lemon juice into your scrub to add a bit of a light. Rinse off with cold water and pat dry, revealing the soft skin. We all love longer eyelashes naturally and not the artificial one. Want a natural solution? Castor oil and almond oil will over time help your eyelashes grow thicker and longer. Pour a few drops of almond or castor oil into a small bowl. Dip a cotton swab and looking downwards and gently apply the oil starting from the upper lash line, extending to the eyelash tips. Next, run the dry end of the cotton swab over the oiled lashes to absorb any excess oil. Finish off using an eyelash curler as the oil helps extend the length. Hope you like this video.